Hello, in this video you'll learn how to add edge loops, one of the most important modeling tools in Blender. So far we've been working with very simple shapes, but sometimes a model doesn't have enough geometry to create the details we want. That's where edge loops come in. So first of all, what is an edge loop? An edge loop is a line of edges that runs across your model. By adding edge loops, we add more geometry to the object, which gives us more control when doing any of the modeling. To add an edge loop, we first of all need to go to edit mode. So click on your shape and then press tab to switch between the modes, and we want to be in edit mode. Now, the shortcut to add the edge loop is Ctrl plus R. You can choose which side you want to put the edge loop on, and we are going to put it over here onto this side. Just click with your left click to confirm that you want to add an edge loop, and then you can choose where you want to put it by clicking with left click, or if you want it to be dead in the middle, just press right click on your mouse and then it will be exactly in the middle of your geometry. Something you can also do is add multiple loops at the same time. So let's press Ctrl and R and then scroll the mouse wheel. As you can see, we are adding now multiple edge loops at once. Let's do this. As you can see, now we've divided our cube into 4 different sections. This is very useful when you need to evenly space out geometry. This way it will always be directly in the center. As I mentioned before, edge loops are important because they give you more points to work with. So let's add a couple more edge loops over here and divide our cube into 16 different sections. Now what we can do is we can move individual vertices. We can also choose edge loops, different ones over here. Or what we can do is we can move faces. So for example, we can pick this face, press E to extrude, and then we have a completely separate face up top over here. Let's go back to the regular view. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how more complex shapes are actually being created. You can use this to create hands, characters, hats, boots, whatever. You can do absolutely everything with this. Some common beginner issues: if Ctrl R isn't working, check 2 things. First of all, make sure you are in edit mode up top over here. Second, make sure your mouse is hovering over the correct edge direction like this. Then you can see it properly. Blender chooses the loop directly based on where your cursor is, so make sure you have your cursor hovering above where you want to add the edge loop to. Edge loops are one of the most important tools in modeling, and in one of the future videos I'll show you how to use them when modeling an actual figure. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.